I'm here at Bogor I train station. So these trains go from Bogor to Jakarta. And you can see how busy it is here at the train station. There's so many people. And I think one of the more dangerous places to hang out and walk around is is these train stations, because there's so many people, so much distraction, and you just gotta watch out for all your belongings and your stuff. Who's behind you? Not that somebody rips away something from you. Hello, hello.
Hello, mister.
Hello, hello. So yeah, I'm not worried too much. I really got very relaxed about everybody and everything here in Indonesia. But if you're a newcomer to... Hello, hello. I don't need money. Thank you. If you're a newcomer to Indonesia, then yeah, this is kind of the places where you should be very careful. I'm just walking around a little bit. I think I have to go back to the entrance, and let's find out how it works with the train. I took the train a couple years ago, but just see how much it costs, how it works, and how long it's gonna take us to get to Jakarta. I'm obviously not going to the city center of Jakarta because I have to go to Bekasi, but I just want to show you how it works with the train here. So there is the train which arrived now and departing already. I'm not sure if I'm gonna eat something first or go directly to Jakarta. I have to call my wife first and see where we're gonna meet up, because I think I'm gonna go home with her with a scooter instead of getting a ride. So I just wanted to show you the area around the train station. So very busy. The train to Jakarta I think should not be as busy now, because it's kind of rush hour this direction to Bogor, because people going back to work from Jakarta to Bogor and not into Jakarta. So I think the train should not be too full, but we're gonna see. Well, these guys really want to talk to me, so I'm just gonna go over here. Mister, yeah.
Mister, okay, mister. Siap, mister. Thank you.
So you just waiting, not driving, yeah. Why not driving?
Yeah.
Driving, making money. Yeah. Huh? Huh?
What's your name?
My name is Dan. Nice to meet you. Yeah. The Lost Bosnian on YouTube.
YouTube-nya apaan?
Yeah.
Dia main YouTube.
YouTube-nya apaan? Yeah.
YouTube-nya apa, mister?
The Lost Bosnian. Look here.
Oh, YouTube-nya The Lost. Oke,
Yeah. So where are you going? To Bogor?
Bogor 07.
Huh? You go to Bogor now? You driving? No. Okay.
Ini, mister.
Yeah. No, not the Lost Boys. Lost Bosnian.
Suruh cari coba dia. Kecil-kecil, dude. Gak bakal bisa lihat. Apa lu mat?
Here.
Namanya mister, YouTube-nya.
Hah? Dari Bosnia Herzegovina. Bosnia.
Cepat, gece. Blok lo.
Hah?
Ini mister.
Yeah.
Subscribe.
Yeah. I just go take the train to Jakarta.
Okay.
Okay, guys.
Okay, guys.
Bye. Fun to meet you.
Okay,
Yeah.
mister.
Okay.
Thank you, miss.
Thank you.
Thank you, mister.
Okay. Crazy traffic here, crazy guys. Okay. Bye. Okay. Bye. This is just pure craziness when the train arrives here and people get out and everybody wants to get their motorcycles from these garages, and these guys waiting for their customers to go to wherever, I don't know, like Bogor or somewhere. It's frustrating, but still fun, you see. Oh, hello everybody, hello. So this one is going to Bogor. This one would be pretty full because people are going home. The one to Jakarta, like I said, should not be as crazy. This is people arriving from Jakarta, coming home now, getting on their bike. Everything's packed. Hello everybody. Hello. every single bus here gonna be packed to the...
My friend.
Okay. So yeah, it's gonna be until the evening, packed like this. Yeah. Hello everybody. Hello. So let's go inside. And see when the next train's going. But they're quite, they go quite regularly, quite often. I think every couple of minutes, 5 minutes, 10 minutes. So let's go find out. See the masses of people just arriving here, coming through the station. And I remember the first time I came here to Jakarta, people used to climb on the trains, so they would have like barbed wires overhanging so that people could not climb up on the wagons and take a ride to Bogor. Now it seems they have solved this problem. There are none I can't see, or maybe these little kind of roofs, they are blocking the way, I'm not sure. But in Jakarta there used to be barbed wires stopping you from climbing up. Now it seems like everything's a little bit more modern and normalized, and not like in Bangladesh and some parts of India where people still take a ride on the top of the train. Okay, let's go find out how I get a ticket. Okay, there's a ticket counter, so I'm not sure. I still haven't talked to my wife, so I don't know where I'm going, so I have to figure this out first. So there's a train going to Jakarta, and like I said, it looks pretty empty because at this time of the day nobody's really going to Jakarta anymore. It's quite late, nobody going to work, nobody going to school, so this one's going directly to the center, Jakarta Kota, in the very center at the old town. And now this one going to Bogor, you're gonna see like I know 1,000 people at least are getting out here, and there's gonna be a couple more thousands going to Bogor. The trains are packed at this time of the day from people commuting back to home in the direction of Bogor. Hello. Quite long trains. To check out how many people are still on the train. I don't know if you're gonna be able to see, but I think we should be. And even here you see like all the parking just for the motorbikes. Okay, we're ready to go. Oh, quite long, but you see, very big. You would think that even anybody got out. I think there's only 2 more stations left to Bogor, and I cannot even imagine how many stations there's. Like at least from Jakarta to here there's I don't know, like 10 stations, and how many people were in the train before and left at all these other stations, and still quite crowded until here. That's just a crazy time of the day anyways, so I'm lucky I'm going in the other direction. I just got myself a ticket at the ticket counter, but how it works is you have to buy this KAI commuter line card, which costs 30,000, and another 10,000 which is on the card. So I guess you just tap it, and I was a little bit surprised that he's asking me for a lot of money because I just gave him 20,000 and he said he needs 20,000 more. Well, obviously it's the card, and then you can just charge it and add up more money on your card. I think a ride costs only 3,000 as far as I read, so it's quite cheap to take the train here compared to take a grab bike or a car. So let's go check out the train. I just want to show you one more time how crazy packed it is here, and people getting on their bikes, all these mini buses leaving, like packed to like craziness. And all these guys then even like with their guitars, they're mostly sitting inside and playing some songs for you for a little money. They're like riding on the side. I've seen some of them like pretty packed, 3 guys with be standing outside and just holding themselves like on the roof and riding like this, probably like even a couple kilometers until they get where they're going. During the day when I was in Bogor, they're quite empty and they're kind of honking and asking me if I want to get a ride. I obviously never did. But now, at this time of the day, when they're leaving here at the train station, they're like packed to the maximum. Probably they're probably made for whatever, like 6 people to sit in the back comfortably. But now it must be like twice as many people sitting in the back of these little minivans. Okay, so I guess you just step it here and go through. There's only one line to get in here now, you can see. But there's probably, I don't know, like 6 lines to get out here. In the morning it would be the other way around. There would be everybody going to Jakarta, not coming to Jakarta. We have to go to the other side because the other side is going to Jakarta. It's kind of, I expected to be on the left side because the traffic here is on the left side. There's some people, well, I guess you can go underneath here, but some people are just taking the shortcut over the rails. So let's just go this way. I rarely take a train in Germany, not really that often, but it never is as busy as it is here. So let's just cross quickly, and the security guard opened the gate here. So I guess it's safe to go. And then they're gonna close because the train gonna come soon probably. They're coming every couple minutes. Okay. Good, thank you. How are you? Yeah, good. You going to Jakarta? Yeah, I'm going to Jakarta too. Yeah. Okay, the train arrived, so I just I guess I sit here. It's for, where is it? Okay, it's here. If somebody comes, I get up. So I get a ride with these beautiful ladies and their children. Yeah, anak. I have 2, dua. Yeah, dua. Well, they just, these nice ladies, they just asked me why I don't wear a mask. I didn't even bring a mask with me because I see even most people don't wear a mask. I mean, not all of them wear a mask at the malls and public places, so I thought it's not, you don't have to wear a mask anymore, but it seems like you have to do it on the train still, and I didn't even bring one with me. I have one, I took some with me from Germany because I expected they would have to, but because I have been around now for a while, for 2 weeks already in Indonesia, and no masks so far, or no obligation to wear them at the mall and other places. Nobody ever told me, so I just didn't bring one today. And now the guy going through the train, he's looking at me why I don't have one. I just told him we don't have to wear masks in Germany anymore. They just ended all the regulations. They asked me no COVID anymore. I said, yeah, not in Germany, you don't have to wear masks. So I'm the only one here, I think, in the train not wearing a mask. Yeah, so everybody else is, I'm the only one not. But the guy just left and just was laughing at me. Kind of stupid foreigner. He probably can't talk to me anyway, so what is he gonna do? So another guy came around and he asked me why I'm not having a mask, and I told him the same, and he just pulled one out of his pocket. He said, okay, now you have a mask. Well, now I'm not the one anymore not having a mask. So you still have to wear a mask. If you come to Indonesia, you take the train, at least. I don't know about the buses, I'm not sure, but it could be the same regulation about public transport that you have to wear a mask. So there you go. Well, that's my station. It's been about half an hour riding from the north border of Bogor here to Jakarta. This is Jakarta already, so I'm getting off the train now. Okay.
Yeah.
Bye.
Bye.
Really?
Bye. Hati-hati,
Okay.
Mister.
Ya,
Take care.
terima kasih, terima kasih.
Yeah.
Oke, bye.
Bye.
Dadah. So that's quite narrow here. If you're here in the morning, I don't know, they're doing some construction here. And I can imagine in the morning when the crowds come here to Jakarta, it's in the south of Jakarta. But when there's like 1,000 people get off the train here, not enough space to be moving along the train here, this side. So let's get out on the street. I think I gotta take my card, tap it. I'm not quite sure which way I'm getting out, on the right side or on the left side. There's some tall buildings again, just like the kampung where I entered before in Bojonggede. So I think I can go out on the right side. So we just go down here, tap our card, and see how much the ride costs. It should be 3,000, but we're gonna find out. Okay, our card. We'll see if it says on the display how much money there is left. So I gotta see. Some people are just tapping their phone, so I guess you can just download an app for this stuff here too and have some money on the application. So I'm gonna tap my card and see. So it's true. So I have still 7,000 left here. So it's only 3,000. That's like 20 euro cent for a ride for half an hour with a train. That's pretty insane. I can't believe it. This is so cheap compared to any kind of transportation here in Jakarta. Okay, Maskov. 3,000 rupiah only to get a ride for half an hour. Insane. And it's good, efficient. Many people get moved from A to B, from Bogor to Jakarta, from Depok. Okay guys, that's it about the train ride here in Jakarta. Bye.